Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. This is DG Chef from the stables. We are doing a very interesting biryani today with jackfruit, or kathal as we call it in Asia.
Biryani, as you know, has its origin from Persia, Afghanistan, Pakistan, northwest frontier part of India. Is an extremely flavorful rice. We'll start this process in many layers. The first layer is to seasoning the water in which we will boil the rice. We start with cinnamon, bay leaves, some salt, some ghee or butter as we call it.
Add 1 teaspoon of clove, 2 teaspoon whole black pepper, 4 to 5 green cardamom. Give it another 30 seconds for the flavors to be released into the stock. Meanwhile, I had soaked, washed and drained the rice. We can add the rice to this water and cook the rice till 3/4 done. In another bowl, take 150 grams of curd. To this add salt, black pepper, kasuri methi, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/3 cup of fried onion or barista. Go on to add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this well and keep it aside. I had already cleaned, de-skinned and parboiled the kathal. We marinate the parboiled kathal cubes with the yogurt marination for about 30 to 40 minutes. With this, our pre-prep is now done. We now go in for the final flourish. In a pan, add 3 teaspoons of ghee, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Once it crackles, start layering the pan with the pre-cooked rice and then the marinated jackfruit in layers. Alternatively, rice, jackfruit, and then rice again. On the last layer, add mint leaves and coriander leaves. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of ghee. Cover this and cook for another 20 seconds on a slow fire till the rice and kathal are well done. Since the rice was already 3/4 done and the kathal was parboiled, this is enough. We serve this with a garnish of fried onion and a yogurt dip. Go ahead, guys, get blown over by this very, very flavorful biryani. Hope you like it. Cheers.